Most people get this wrong. They think all credit apps show the same information. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is relying on just one platform to understand your credit health. In this video, we are comparing Credit Karma versus Experian in 2026, so you know exactly which one you should use and why it actually matters for your credit decisions. Let's start with the basics. Credit Karma is a free credit monitoring platform that shows your credit scores, reports, and alerts. It uses data mainly from TransUnion and Equifax. It is designed to help you track your credit behavior in real time without paying anything. Now, compare that with Experian. Experian is one of the three major credit bureaus itself, along with TransUnion and Equifax. Through its app and services, it gives you access to your actual Experian credit report, and often your FICO-based score, which is widely used by lenders. Now here's where it gets interesting. These two platforms are not just different apps. They often show different scores because they use different scoring models and different data sources. So let's break it down step by step. First, accuracy. Credit Karma is accurate for tracking trends. If your credit goes up or down, you will usually see the correct direction. But the score may be a vintage score model, which is not always what lenders use. Experian, on the other hand, gives you direct access to your Experian report, and often FICO-based scoring. That makes it closer to what many lenders actually check when you apply for loans or credit cards. For someone like Alex who is preparing for a loan application, Experian may feel more realistic and closer to lender decisions. But here's the problem most users don't realize. They assume one app is wrong when scores don't match. In reality, both can be correct, because they are showing different versions of your credit data. Now let's talk about usage. Credit Karma is better for daily monitoring. It updates frequently and gives you alerts for changes like new accounts or credit utilization shifts. Experian is better for official reporting insight and understanding what lenders are most likely seeing. In a minute, I'll show you the simple rule that tells you exactly which app to trust depending on your goal, whether it is monitoring or applying for credit. Now let's talk about credit score differences. Jake might see a higher score on Credit Karma and a lower one on Experian. This is normal and happens because scoring models weigh factors differently. So which one should you actually use? If your goal is daily credit tracking and free monitoring, Credit Karma is extremely useful. If your goal is preparing for loans, mortgages, or credit applications, Experian gives you a more lender-focused view. Let's make it simple. Credit Karma is best for monitoring and alerts. Experian is best for official credit insight and lender-style scoring. Let's summarize everything clearly. In 2026, Credit Karma versus Experian is not about which one is better overall. It is about what you need. Monitoring versus official credit reporting. If this helped you understand the difference, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.